today's catch. All the claws over their eyes. The spike. A lot of diggers today, one arm, one claw. A lot of them. You can put them in the fridge. I just like to do them ASAP and get onto other things during the day. And you hold their claws over their eyes so they don't throw their claws when you stab them. Push this little tab down, lift that up. Thumb, pull opposing ways. Like that. Rip his shell off. And his little mouth here. Put my thumb and finger against it. Pull back, you hear a click, and then get rid of all that in one go. The reason I'm doing this is so you can have a clean cook. Break that little mouth section off, scrape all that away. Done. It's got me bucket of crabs there. Got 7 today. Pretty good. Over here I've got my salt water that I collected from the same place as I caught the crabs. Just waiting that to heat up. I'm gonna turn this into a nice slurry. So they're gonna go in here once it's boiling. Once it starts to reboil, 7 minutes, and then it's gonna go into a nice slurry of salt water. Alright, that started to boil. Straight in, upside down. You see how the water stopped boiling? Oh, other way, mate. Alright, now we're going to wait for that water to start boiling again. And once it does, we're going to count 7 minutes. So you're going to put the lid back on, get it to come back to boil, be game on. Alright, now that's come back to the boil. Not hard, just a soft boil. 7 minutes from now. Added a few more cubes of ice to the slurry. You want that really cold. The reason behind that, when it comes out of the boiling hot into the cold, when things are hot, they expand. And when they get thrown, when something hot goes into freezing cold, it shrinks. So all that meat shrinks off the shell when you go to eat it. You don't have to pick out the shells or anything, it just comes straight out all in one piece. That's what you want. Alright, that's been 7 minutes. So, get the ice slurry, turn the gas off. And then straight out into an ice slurry. So that meat retracts off the shell. This is a great tip. Alright, nothing left. Let them cool down a little bit. And then drip dry in the fridge, ready to eat. You won't get fresher.